Mom, what happened? Our entire apartment is flooded.
Well, Timmy, your mother's situationship came over and things got a little out of hand.
What did he do? Did he break something? I'll kill him.
No, Timmy, what he did wasn't bad. In fact, it was quite good. Your mother was just a little more hydrated than expected.
Wait, so this is pee? Ew, cooties.
Actually, Timmy, that is a common misconception. This is a mixture of diluted urine and fluid from Skene's glands. It's generally safe to drink.
Yippee!